Hello my dear friends, I hope you can hear me. Let me just will spend like few seconds and we will start, okay? Okay, I can see the voice is here. My voice is working and live stream is working too. Hello again, hello everyone. I hope you really will enjoy this tutorial. This is live stream. I didn't make the live stream again a long time ago, and today's the stream will be about Dynamo. Actually, we will talk about Dynamo, about programming and how it's working. So this is topic for today. I hope you are interested of that. So, and we will start from this. Actually, we will start from Dynamo. Let me will open up the Dynamo. Still, it will open up. You always can able to write any your comments. You can write your questions, and I will try to answer it immediately in live stream. So this is a unique situation when you will get answer immediately. Hello. Oh, long time I didn't see you. Okay. Let me open up. Here is my Dynamo, as you can see, and here we inside in Dynamo. Actually, it doesn't matter which type of the Dynamo you are using. Most of you using Dynamo above than version 2.0, so it means you are using the pretty new one. Of course, in 2022, Dynamo it's much newest. I not remember they are 2.8 I think, but doesn't matter. Difference between Dynamo 2.0 and 2.6 it's only about the nodes. As you know, we can get some extra nodes by add-ins like Clockwork, like Lunchbox, and other one. So it means difference between the 2.0 and 2.6. It's only the nodes which come from the box. That's it. This is the different. Yes, I have my own courses. I think you can check the link below, or I will copy it right now. I have my own courses about Dynamo. You able to join it? It's here. Oh, it's long. Okay, you just go to the Udemy and you will find it there. Or maybe I will copy it. I will try it. Give me a second. Give me a second. Just. Okay, it's here. Just find it's inside in the chat. Okay. But actually, on the Udemy I have the Dynamo courses only for beginners. So it's how to use the nodes, which nodes you can use for example, to find elements, something like that. For the pro, I didn't finish yet. When I will finish, of course, I will let you know, guys. When I will finish my pro course about Dynamo. So, what I wanna talking today? Actually, I wanna continue my topic about Dynamo in Python. I really like this topic, and this is really important for me, and I think for you guys. And this is best way to work together, as I think. I'm not sure, but I think. Okay. What I'm doing right now? Actually, I just creating some code block with the number. Maybe we can also use the number. For example, like this. We also can create the integer. Slider. Integer slider, I mean. Okay. As you can see here, three different types of the data which you can use, for example. Also, you can get the number from your model, for example. But we just will look now only for three of this type of the data. As you can see here is the code block. It's the data which you write here. This data will become here. You also can write like this. But be careful, this is not number, this is already the string. Give me a second. Object type. I wanna use the object, I think this one, object type. And what here, let me, I will show you. As you can see, the first, no, just number 3, the object type is system integer 64. It doesn't matter for you or for you now the 64, for you only matter this is integer. But the number 3, which is the second one, it's already not integer. That's why I mention you, like sometimes you can get some data, but it's not data, it's not number, this is a string. Be careful with that. Here I also will write the number 3, and here also will be number 3. Let's connect it to the object. As you can see, here is integer, and here is also the integer. So what we can say, 3 of them, except this one, it's the integer number of 3. So, and we can use this as like a number. This is really important, so don't forget about this node, because sometimes when your Python script not will be working, your Python will be say like, for this on this line you should use the string number, a string for example, and you not will understand clearly where you did something wrong. So by this node you can check it easily which type of the data you are connecting to your Python. Okay, and let me, I will find my Python. Here is my Python script. What we can do, actually we can do everything what we want with the Python. Just it's limitless, only your imagination, as you know, as always. Let me, I will go to the inside, and I will say like number, let me, I will just write like this, number list. It's not actually a list, it's okay, let's leave it number list, and it will be 3, and let's print it. How I can print it? I just will copy the number list, the name of the function which I wanna print, to the out. Let's save it, and here we get also the 3. What I wanna show you, I wanna show you the object type. I will connect to the object, and as you can see, it's also the integer. So by this way you already understand, like you can have like 4 ways to get the numbers. About the way number 5 we are not talking right now. As I said before, you can get also the number from parameters of your element, but we are now not looking on that right now. Let me, I will go inside to the Python script, and let's do some other thing. Okay, the number list number 3, we get the like a number, like an integer, but let me, I will say number string, and I will say this will be 3. Okay, and let's print it. I will copy it, just be careful. Actually you can save it changes, or you can just use the run, and as you can see here the 3. And right now you cannot clearly understand, is it 3 is integer or this is a number. That's why I'm talking about you should be careful, because here you will see again the 3, and it's, as you can see, it's no difference between previous one and this one. You can understand only if you will connect, and you will see exactly what the type of the number you get. This is a string. So we will back to the Python script, and what I wanna show you right now. Let me, I will do +3. For example, we wanna get our number, or multiply, not multiply, sum with number 3. Let's run it, and as you can see, here is the wrong what I'm telling you about. And as you can see here, the file string line 14 is model blah 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 unsupported operand. Number 14 is here, unsupported. So we already understand why it's not unsupported, because we are using the string +3. It's impossible to do. But if I will change, for example, this one to this one, oh, give me a second, like this, run it, as you can see, it's working. So the small thing, but a really powerful result. Also, what we can do, let me, I will show you the other thing. Now we are calculating everything inside the Python script. This is cool. Yeah, we know how we can do that. But what if we want to calculate from the code block inside the Python script? You're also able to do that. let me, I will do it inside in output. You can do it here, like in 0. Why it's in 0? If you will see the in 0, this is input 0. We will connect with the tree. And here's our slider. Let me connect my slider to the input number 1. And we'll say plus input number 1. Let's enter, save it, and now see. You can immediately calculate here. You can create the other slider and you can calculate it here. Of course, this you can say this is so simple. You can use the node, this one node, and you can do the same thing here. Yes, it is true, but sometimes you need create more type of the function to do, not only just plus one number with the other one. Maybe you wanna do like this. Maybe you wanna create the function. Who knows? For example, if x lower than 3, give me a second, lower than 3, output out equal, let's say input number 3, no, input number 2, in 1, sorry. And here we will be, for example, else. So if it's not working with the first, we're working with the else. Oh, I forgot here do something like this, because without this one it's not function. Else out equal in, let's say 2. This one we don't need it anymore. So we did some function, but we don't know what is it x. X actually will be equal to the 0, input 0, like this. Okay, so input 0 is here, number 3. Let me, I will delete this thing. This is number 3. Our number 3 connecting to the input 0, as you can see. Hello. And after that, we have here, for example, our integer on our slider integer. We have input number 1. So we just wanna see if our x less than 3, we will input what we have inside our integer. If it's more than 3, we will export this number. Let me, I will show you. Let me write here the second number, and we will connect it here. Let's run it. As you can see, the 3 is equal. Actually, it's, let me, I will do like this. Much better. Equal and more than 3, it will be second number. If it will be here the 2, as you can see here the second number, here the second number 1 second number, but even 2.29 second number, and even the 99 second number. But if it will be 3, it's already 58. And here you can immediately change. Now check it out. You have only the one small script with a really simple code, but try to imagine how many nodes you need to create, for example, this answer. That's why I'm trying to you teach how to work with Dynamo and Python. I'm not will teach you how working, for example, with Python really with the huge code or some really big experience thing. No, we will be talk only about some simple thing. By simple thing you will understand better how you can manipulate with that, and where you can use it, for example, in your Dynamo. It's really helpful for you guys. So as you can see, we did some calculation here, right? We even not calculation, we just did the function. But what if, for example, we have other situation? Let me, I will copy my Python script, and let me, I will do what I will do. Let me, I will do, for example, I wanna get only the odd number or even. Why not? So we have x equal to the input 0, and after that I wanna get it's odd or it's even. If my x number equal to the 0, function it's over, output equal is no x is even. The other thing, so it means else out equal, and here is the text, x is odd. Okay, we did some simple function, and let's have a look how it's working. First of all, we need only the one input. Here is our slider. Let me I will get the slider, let me I will copy my watch, and I will connect my watch out to the watch, and here the slider. And as you can see, x is even. Let me I will change it, even, odd, and as you can see, it's really simple to get. We're not just getting this is a true or false, we can write everything what we want. For example, if it's like this, we get this number. Or we can say, for example, like this, x plus equal, no, we can do like this, x equal plus, here will be in 0, and here will be again plus. And don't forget, this is a not function, and one like this. Okay, so what we did, actually it's not working. Why? Let me will see. Because it's string should be. Now, as I said, this is really important, because we should now translate our number to the string. Now it will be working. Yes, it's working. And now you can see we wrote really clear function to understand. So x it's equal 35 is odd. So Python script for Python for the children, but anyway, this children way helping to understand how it's working. By this way, for example, we can also copy this thing to the even, and we can change only the word here, even. String, oh, I forgot this one here. Okay, now it's working. Now if I will have 38, as you can see, now it's working also for 38. Okay, even we can change the number output, for example, or whatever you want we can do. This is one working with the if and else, but in Python we have also the elif. We can make like if something more than 5, it will be a result like this. If it's I don't know, less than 35, the result will be like this. So I will show you what I mean. Let me I will copy it again, unconnect. I need watch again, and let me I will connect. Okay, and what I wanna say, if for example, if what I wanna if, okay, if x more than 10, out equal, for example, I don't know, true. We can also write the function, this is true. After that, elif it's like else, but after elif the Python still working, so it's going on and on. For example, elif x more than 10, out equal false. And one more, this will be else out pass. So let me I will do function is more working here, not will be more than 12 or equal and here will be also the equal, much better. So as you understand, only 11 not will be work with that, it should be pass. Let's run it. Let's connect here the slider, and let's see what's going on here. Oh, unexpected token. This is my mistake, sorry. Oh, it's not understand the pass. Let me, I will do the null like this. Not understand the null. String. Okay, it's not understand this function. Maybe we can write even the 0, just a 0. Named here like this, I think. Yeah, sorry, my mistake, guys, because here is true, and with the uppercase I'm using the without uppercase. Maybe null will be working. Oh, I'm in the pass. Let me try. This is function, but it's not working. Okay, break. Break also not working. Anyway, I will leave the 0. Okay, so it's here. As you can see, if it's more than 10, not actually, it's if it's more than 10, yeah, we get a result like this. If it's less, we get the false. But if it's 11, yeah, no, it's I did mistake. If it's more than 10, if it's less than sorry, if it's more than 12 here, if it's less than 10, my mistake. And as you can see, 11 is 0. By this way you can create, for example, the sum function more useful than you can think. So let me, I will make some script of for the Dynamo. For example, we want to get all elements. Let me, I will get elements, or select. We will go to the selection. Here we can get all the elements as we want. For example, I want to get all elements of category, why not? And all elements category in view. No, category in view, no. Where is the all elements by category? Select model elements, all elements. I need the category. Yeah, sorry, categories. I already not using this type of the code. And let me, I will use, for example, the wall. Where is the wall? Here is the wall. Let me see. As you can see, we get some number of the wall. As you can see, 200. Where is that? 200 something. Okay. Let me, I will use the count. Here is the count. And we connect the count to the count, and as you can see, we get the number. And now we can connect this number here, as you can see. So that's why I'm saying here you can manipulate with that, or you can even do the one thing like this. I will show you. I need the watch because I want to see output. And for example, we get our in, and we want to write like out equal. And you can write the wall. I don't know, like, yeah, the wall we can write. The wall equal. And here we can say plus in input. Don't forget, here will be 0, and don't forget the string str. And inside of that will be our string. Let's say, as you can see, the wall, nothing. But if we will connect to the here, we get the number. As you can see, we are already getting some nice function. Okay, so what else you can do? Also, we can get also the category. Why not? For example, name. Better actually name. used here, name, and let's find the name category. It's here. Let's connect our category to the here, and as you can see, here is the string walls. And what we can do also, we can connect it to the our input one. And now we no need using the word wall. Why we need it? We no need. We have the Python. So we will delete the wall and we will say plus in one. Don't forget the string str like this, and say don't forget also plus and again like this. Okay, so what we did? Actually, I did mistake somewhere. Str. Oh, str I said. tr. And as you can see, the walls 200 something, right? And now if you will change the category, doesn't matter which one. For example, I don't know, Windows. It's changing the name and changing the quantity. I don't know, you can change something else. For example, let me, I will. The stairs, why not? Stairs 6. It's automatically changing the name and changing the numbers. As you can see now, Python becoming more and more professional. Yes, we can say the professional, because I don't know for what you need this script. I just showing the potential of this one. You wrote only the one line, but you already have really great functional. Actually now it's working like OOP, so you can connect everything inside and it will be working. So even you can calculate it inside in Python, but it's already not will be just one line, it will be more than one line. So what else we can do? For example, we can calculate the types and also put here inside to the watch. So we have the types and let's say unique items. Okay, so what we have here? The stairs. I want to get the name of the elements. Where is the name element? Okay, let me connect name to the element, and what we get? Stairs. So it's not interesting. Let me, I will go back to my lovely walls, and here will be different. As you can see, here some different. I will connect to the list, and as you can see, what? Some different names. And now we can create the new Python script again. So I will delete this one and I will copy only this one. We will create the new one. So what we're gonna do? I will say I don't know, the unique items, and here we will get our unique items. It will be number 0, and let's say like this, why not? Let's connect, and as you can see now we will get only the one line. Actually it's a really huge line. It's like this because we get the list of that. So we can now after that just get for example, we can crop it, we can get everything from the list. Actually I will use the list and I will show you. List create. Okay, let's list create, why not? And here everything in one line. As you can see, we can get it by index if you want. For example, let me, I will use the code block. Actually it's already code block x1, for example. I will connect to the x, and as you can see we get number n. We get n only 2. Oh, so I understand. So we get not index, we get index from the unique items. It's really interesting. It's really interesting. If you will see it, I will show you. As you can see, unique item. We get something like here is our item, and inside the item we also have the naming of that, as you can see. So it's working like this. We also can create the list if you want. We also create actually we already have the list, but we can create it. Okay, so what do you think about it? did you find it's I mean the Python useful for you? Actually, this is a point, guys. If you don't like the Python or you don't wanna Python anymore, I not will do any tutorials about it. But if you find it really interesting, I will continue to show you how you can manipulate with Python. Because we even now didn't talk yet about the parameters, for example, but it's really important. For example, I will show you something. Get parameter by value. It's here. I will delete everything, and here, for example, our element, and we're gonna get some parameter. I don't know what the type of the parameter we have inside this wall. I will check first. Here I will connect, and let's see. For example, inside the walls we have the area, we have the comments, we have everything. Okay, let's talk about the comments. As you can see, here is the comment, right? We have the main, something like a main. I will find this comment main. Comments. Be careful with the upper and the lowercase. And let's see, we get some main, and something like that. Okay, awesome. So what we can do? We also can create our Python script, which will be taking only the word main. For example, here, as you can see, the main. Yes, of course, I will show you the much nicest thing. If x, no, we will write the straight input 0, which will be string, equal the main. Don't forget main out equal pass. Save. Oh, I didn't write the else. Out equal fail. Yeah, we should write much bigger script, but anyway, with the index, because now actually it's str working only for the first index, and that's why it will be fail. But we can give me a second, I will write the script. Welcome guys, welcome. I hope you will find it really useful. I wanna actually get first. Give me a second. Out equal, because I just thinking about this right now, so it's not something new also for me. 0, but I wanna get not just a 0. I wanna get number 1. 0. 0 number 1. Give me a second. Okay, I just trying to define about the tuples. I forgot how to working with the tuples. Because I wanna get the tuple from the my code. Give me a second. Okay, I need to format it. Give me a second. If you remember about the tuples, just write it down and it will be faster. than I'm thinking right now, because I'm thinking and working in the same time. No, I'm doing everything right, but it will be 0. Maybe like this, because we're getting this 0, but from the 1. Yeah, yes. Number 2, main. Okay, done. Sorry, because in Dynamo we are using like this, but in Python it's already calling the list. For example, let me try 76, and it's working. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Now we can use the if function. I will use the if function to get what we want actually. Give me a second. For example, I will do like this. If we have the number like this, I wanna get only it will be equal letter number 1 for letter in sorry, my mistake, in 0. It's not will be working like this, I know, but I will do that. It's interesting for me right now, sorry. Because I wanna do that. Okay, we can do like this. If actually I wanna use the for, not if, just to the calculate. Yeah, why not? If in 0 for example, I don't know, 76 equal main out equal false, and the same thing else out equal true. We can do like this. Save it. Here it will be true, of course will be true, because yeah. But if it will be equal to the main, I will change it to the 1, for example. It will be false. Actually, we can change it, the number here, to the in 1. And we not will get anything, because we should connect now to this our slider, for example. Where is our slider? Connect to the here, and now we can easily manipulate with this data, as you can see. For example, we know till the 17 we have main, so we should have till the 17 true, or I mean the false. As you can see here, the number 3 false, number 10 false, number 15 false, and even the number 17 false. but the other one is going the true. By this way, I don't know, you can create anything what you want. I just thinking about it right now, and I creating this script like in the 3 minutes. You also can do whatever you want by this small script. For example, if else, create whatever you want, guys. Okay, I hope this will be enough today about the Dynamo. If you find it interesting, just let me know. If not, also let me know. I should understand. If you wanna more about Dynamo and Python, the tutorial will be coming soon, so don't miss out. I will try post it as much as possible. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining my stream. I know it was less people than I think, but it's okay for me. I know this is less the action than you want. Thank you guys for watching. So bye bye. This is finish, I think, for today, because I also tired.